Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, solved, your connection is not private net air cert date invalid Chrome error fix. Type Control Panel, click Control Panel. Click Network and Sharing Center. Click Internet Connected Ethernet or Wi-Fi. Click Properties. Click Internet Protocol version 4. Check use the following DNS server addresses: 8.8.8.8.8.4.4. Click OK. Click Close. Restart your system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.